Hey, I'm Krishna, and I'm here in the southwest of the United States. It's a beautiful warm day. It's nice and calm, and I'm just sitting here in this park in Corrales, New Mexico, and I thought I would share some life lessons that completely changed my life. Now, if you've been feeling stuck, burned out, or like life's not lining up with who you really want to be, hey, I get it. I've been there more than once. Now, I am Krishna. This is Wellness with Krishna. I'm a yoga and meditation teacher, a traveler. I'm a guide, a life coach, and I help people rebuild their life from the inside out. Not by adding more noise to your life, but by giving you tools to transform from the inside first, because that's where real lasting change and transformation happens. Now, I've been lost. I lost a home. I walked away from a huge career. I've rebuilt after heartbreak, and each time I came back stronger. Now today, I want to share with you 3 of the biggest lessons I've learned from those moments and how you can use them right now to rebuild your own life. Now let's get into them. Lesson 1 is alignment beats attachment. Now, by 2017, I was running events and selling ads for a rather large magazine, which I will remain nameless. I was totally burnt out. In between events, I started traveling to Thailand and Southeast Asia. I found myself in temples, learning more about Buddhism. I saw a slower, more intentional way of living. I felt connections with these small mom and pop communities and the kind of organic connection I was missing back home in the West, where everything just felt more corporate and more rushed. It took time to change my life. First, I had to make a plan. I had to manifest it through my meditations daily with intention. And then I began slowly selling my things, which took nearly a year. Yard sales, letting go piece by piece, convincing my girlfriend at the time to let go too. By the end of 2018, I walked away to travel full time. Now, when you stop clinging to who you think you're supposed to be, you create space to become who you really are. Now, I would like you to grab a piece of paper, take your time. I want you to write down 3 things. 1, keep. Keep one thing that feels aligned in your life right now. 2, release. Release one thing you're ready just to let go of. And begin one thing that starts this week that feels right. Now I want you to circle your release and your begin, and make sure to do both in the next 7 days and see how that transforms you. Now, lesson 2 is self-worth isn't equity. Now, in my early 30s, I was living the California dream. 6-figure income, beautiful home, had tons of savings. Then the 2008 crash hit, and the ripple lasted for years. By 2012, my house was worth less than I paid for it. Eventually, I had to let it go, which was sad, along with the dream it represented and all the hard work I put into it. Work dried up, money dwindled. I found myself at zero, asking, who am I without the address, the title, and the bank balance? But here's the truth. Your value isn't your job, your house, or your status. Your value is how you show up today and each and every day in the present moment. Here's a practice that helped me. I call it center before circumstances. Now I want you to sit comfortably, hands on your heart, take slow breaths for 2 minutes in and out, and say to yourself, my value isn't my job, my house, or my status. My value is how I show up today. Then write down one action that you'll actually take today. No matter what's happening around you, make sure to do this. It will compound in lessons for the future self. Now, lesson 3 is closure is a practice. In 2024, I married quickly after a powerful connection overseas. 4 months later, she left. The hardest part wasn't being single again. It was the way it happened. A lie that pulled the rug from under me, and the realization that I had attached my future to someone that I didn't fully know. Now, she said she was overwhelmed by marriage, afraid of losing her independence. Mostly fear-driven, and maybe that's true. Either way, I was left on my own to figure it all out and heal by myself. After a year of research, doing deep inner work and deep meditation, here's what I discovered. Closure doesn't come from someone else. It comes from consistent care for yourself. Now, 2 practices really carried me through that time. The first one I call morning clarity. It's simple but powerful. For the next 5 to 8 minutes in the morning, no phone, sit or walk outside, take 5 slow breaths and ask, what did I need today? What can I give myself today? And write the first honest answer and honor it. The second is something I created for myself called PBA Reset. Here's how it works. Pause. Name what's happening. Breathe. Take 5 slow, deep breaths. Ask, what's my next best step? I hope these helped. And if this resonates what I've shared with you, if you're at a crossroads rebuilding after a loss, or you're just ready to live more in alignment, this is the work I help people with. Now, there's a short application in the description below. Tell me where you're at and what you want to change. And if it feels like a good fit, we'll book a free call and we'll map your next steps out slowly. No pressure, just a real plan that can manifest the future you. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If this message resonates, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button for more weekly insights. This is Shambala. This is Krishna rising. And this is Wellness with Krishna. Now, we wish you blessings on your journey. Thank you for watching. Namaste.